Let's talk about the severe weather risk tomorrow. A strong low pressure system is moving through the Northeast, and the Storm Prediction Center has put most of New Jersey, including Monmouth and most of Ocean County, under a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk. But extreme southern Ocean County, as well as Atlantic, Cape May, and Cumberland counties, are under a level 2 out of 5 slight risk. Here are the threats. Wind damage in isolated areas is a threat. We have some wind bags with some dry air aloft in the atmosphere, and this could create a microburst threat. Hail is the threat that I'm the least worried about. If it does fall, it'll just be nuisance hail that won't cause too much property damage or car damage. There isn't a ton of supercellular convection, and if hail does form, it won't even hit the ground. Tornadoes, I was thinking of going low for this. However, I decided to go moderate because there was an AI model called NATOcast that is very accurate that has put out higher risks for tornadoes in New Jersey. And there's also the tendency for these strong low pressure like events to overperform when it comes to tornadoes. Flooding rain is what I'm most worried about. I've put up a high risk for scattered flooding. We'll have a lot of precipitation potential up in the atmosphere, and we could have multiple rounds of rain. And the flooding threat will not just be a today threat, that will extend into Wednesday and potentially even parts of Thursday. Looking at damaging winds, that can start along with tornadoes around 2 to 3 p.m. Hail is the weakest threat. It's not going to last for that long. If there's going to be hail, it'll probably peak around 5 p.m. Tornado threat should taper off between 7 and 8 p.m. with the damaging winds continuing until late in the evening, around 10 or 11 p.m. The flooding threat will then pick up and last throughout the rest of the night. So be sure you're prepared. Turn around, don't drown. Always make sure you have a plan to heed National Weather Service warnings. Have a great day. Stay safe, New Jersey.